Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share one of my recent favorite recipes from Korean cuisine, Kimchi Bokkeumbap or Kimchi Fried Rice. This fried rice is made with kimchi as the main ingredient. Kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish prepared with fermented vegetables, most often napa cabbage or Korean radish, and seasoned with a variety of Korean spices. Let's get started. First, I will show you all the ingredients used to prepare this fried rice. You will need sticky rice or soft grained rice, roasted sesame seeds, and roasted sesame oil. I got mine from Costco. You will also need seaweed, which is roasted and can be eaten as a snack. This particular brand is really tasty and does not have that strong smell that some other brands do. We really liked it. Next, the main ingredient for this recipe, kimchi. I got this vegetarian kimchi from Fortino's. It's medium spiced and really good quality. You will also need gochujang, which is Korean chili paste. Now that all the ingredients are ready, we will start by cooking the sticky rice. I got this sticky rice from Fortino's and I followed the package instructions. First, I took 1.5 cup of rice and washed it thoroughly under cold running water. Then I added 2 cups of water to the washed rice and covered it with a lid. Cook over medium to low heat for 12 minutes as per the package instructions. Mine actually took about 20 minutes. I stirred it gently a couple of times during those 12 minutes to make sure the rice did not stick to the bottom. Cook until all the water is absorbed by the rice. Once the rice absorbed all the water, switch off the stove, cover it with a lid and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it well and your rice is ready. Usually, day-old rice works best for kimchi fried rice, but you can also use fresh rice if that is what you have. Now let the rice cool down a bit while we prepare the kimchi for the dish. You will need 1 cup of kimchi and 1/3 cup of kimchi juice for this recipe. Since this kimchi is made with the napa cabbage, which comes in long strips, we will need to chop it into bite-sized pieces using a knife. As a staple food in Korean cuisine, kimchi is often eaten as a side dish with nearly every meal. Since kimchi is a fermented food, it is packed with healthy probiotics. Let's prepare the fried rice by heating some olive oil or butter in a frying pan. Add the onion and the white part of the spring onions along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook until the onions become translucent. Then add the chopped kimchi and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the kimchi is well cooked. Next, add the kimchi juice along with half a teaspoon of brown sugar and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cooked sticky rice and mix everything thoroughly. Cook for a few more minutes, making sure the rice is well combined with the kimchi. Now add the required amount of salt, the chopped green part of spring onion, 2 teaspoons of gochujang. You can adjust the amount of gochujang based on your spice preference. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix everything well. Cover with a lid and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it was perfectly done. Switch off the stove. I felt like it needed a little more sesame oil, so I added some at this stage. Finally, garnish with roasted sesame seeds and chopped seaweed as shown in the video. Your kimchi fried rice is almost ready, but it is not complete without a fried egg on top. In a separate pan, heat some butter and crack in an egg. Make sure to keep it sunny side up. Season it with salt and pepper powder and cook until the edges are golden brown. To plate, take a bowl of kimchi fried rice and flip it onto a serving plate. Top with a fried egg. Then sprinkle with sesame seeds, seaweed, and the green part of the spring onion. And there you have it, perfectly made kimchi fried rice, ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.